In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the e-bike conversion kits mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Bafang 750W, Mid-Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Bafang 750W, Mid-Drive Kit offers a robust 750W motor for seamless hill climbing in a max torque of 120 Nm. Its universal compatibility ensures it fits various bike types. With 3 riding modes and an easy installation process, this kit transforms your bike into an efficient e-bike. Perfect for adventures and commutes, it's available now at a 38% discount for just $352.34. Upgrade your ride effortlessly and enjoy smooth, powerful cycling. Number 4, Electric Bike Conversion Kit, 350W 500W motors. This electric bike conversion kit features versatile 350W and 500W motors, compatible with front or rear hub wheels. Delivering regular speeds of 30 to 35 km per hour, it's perfect for daily commutes. The comprehensive kit ensures hassle-free installation and reliable performance. Ideal for riders seeking power and efficiency, this kit is now available for $189, a 30% discount from its original price. Upgrade your bike and enjoy a smoother, faster ride today. Number 3, CSC 48V 1000W Brushless Hub Motor Conversion Kit. The CSC 48V 1000W hub motor kit offers exceptional power with speeds up to 55 km per hour. It's equipped with a brushless, non-gear hub motor, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. Compatible with V-brake and disc brake systems, it includes a throttle with LED display for battery monitoring. Now available at a 57% discount for just $148.58, this kit is a fantastic option for those seeking high performance and effortless bike conversion. Number 2, TSDZ-2B Mid-Drive Motor E-Bike Conversion Kit. The TSDZ-2B Mid-Drive Kit is ideal for MTB and city bikes, featuring a built-in controller and torque sensor for advanced power delivery. Its adjustable power assist ratio, 36% to 300%, provides customizable riding experiences, while the 42T chainwheel ensures smooth pedaling. With a high torque of 80 Nm, it's perfect for challenging rides. Available for $293.28 with a 6% discount, this kit combines efficiency and power for a superior biking experience. Number 1, ZEMAKE High-Speed Brushless E-Bike Motor Kit. The ZEMAKE High-Speed Motor Kit offers a brushless design for smooth, reliable performance. It features an LCD display for real-time data and custom spoke length compatibility for a perfect fit. Compatible with 350W/500W batteries, it's perfect for transforming your bike into a high-speed e-bike. Now available at $123.72, a 45% discount from the original price, this kit is an affordable way to upgrade your ride.